Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is talking about adjectives. Let's get started. This topic is about the positions of adjectives. Where should we put an adjective in a sentence? There are several different cases that we have to consider. Let's take a look at the first one. The positions of adjectives. Now, we often use adjectives to put it in front of color blue or nouns. For example, now Hong Kong is a fantastic city. City is a blue and fantastic is the color yellow. Telling you more about the city is putting in front of city, the blue. He's a kind boy. The word kind is a color yellow, telling you more about the blue boy. And also putting in front of this blue. The clever girl wrote a brilliant essay. Okay, brilliant is telling you more about essay. It's putting in front of the color blue. Also, there are some adjectives that follow after linking verbs. And they are not putting in front of a color blue, but instead, they will be after a verb, a red, a color red. Let's take a look at the following examples. Adjectives can also follow certain verbs. These verbs are known as linking verb, and we actually use pattern number 2 to write the sentence. Now, a verb is a linking verb if it could be replaced by verb to be. It's was were. Now, some of the most common linking verbs are the following: appear, seem, be, verb to be, remain, become, go, feel, taste, sound, look, get, turn, stay, and smell. And these are the examples. Hong Kong is fantastic. The word fantastic follows the linking verb to be. It's I feel sad. The word sad is follow the linking verb feel. You look handsome in that suit. Okay, the word handsome follow the linking verb look. You can tell the word feel and the word look could be replaced by verb to be. I am sad. You are handsome. So that's the reason we are sure that feel and look are linking verb in this situation. Very nice. Now, after we understand that there are some adjectives color yellow, they could only putting in front of a color blue, but not after a color red. And what are they? Let's take a look. Some adjectives can be used in only one positions. Now, these adjectives are used before nouns, before the blue. Elder, eventual, formal, inner, main, only, outer, so, upper, other. Okay, for example, the main character's elder sister. We can't say sister elder, okay, or sister is elder. Was the only interesting person in the book. Okay, so elder is one of them. Very nice. Now, there are some adjectives. They can't be putting in front of a color blue. They could only putting after a color red. And what are they? Let's take a look. And the following adjectives are follow after linking verbs. Let's take a look. Who are they? Afraid, alike, alive, alone, ashamed, asleep, content, glad, unwell, and well. Example, I'm glad she got well so quickly. So the word glad should be after the linking verb is was were. We can't say a glad person. Yesterday, she still looked quite unwell. Unwell also put behind the linking verb look. So we can say unwell person, okay? That's very good. Now, that's all for today. See you next time. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.